Knowledge is useless if it cannot be shared or it cannot be used practically. The team of Majestic Garbh Sanskar has provided me with an immense opportunity by making me a part of this TTT program for Garbh Sanskar. I am a healthcare professional and the training has helped me immensely to put my knowledge of Garbh Sanskar to use in a practical way. The program is structured excellently. The material provided, the support provided, and the feedback and regular question answer sessions have helped me to clear all my doubts. The team is very patient and the motive behind this program is very pure. I am very glad and thankful to them. I appreciate all their efforts and wish them all the best for their future endeavors. May you keep loving and keep growing. Thank you.